Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Toyota's legendary 4Runner returns in 2025 with a bold new look, advanced features, and improved performance. It's the perfect choice for adventurers and families who need a tough and reliable SUV. Bold new design. The 2025 4Runner keeps its rugged style, but adds a modern twist with a larger grille and sharper LED headlights. Strong, muscular body lines for a powerful presence. Multiple trims, including the everyday SR5 and the off-road ready TRD Pro. Powerful and efficient engines. Choose from two strong engine options. 3.5L twin-turbo V6 produces 409 horsepower for towing and tough trails. Hybrid assist option improves fuel efficiency while still delivering plenty of power. Both come with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, making every drive efficient and capable. Ready for any adventure. The 2025 4Runner is built to handle any terrain with multi-terrain select. Adapts traction for mud, sand, rocks, or snow. TRD Pro features includes Fox suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Higher ground clearance ensures you can handle obstacles with ease. It can also tow up to 7,000 pounds, perfect for boats, trailers, or gear. Comfortable and tech-savvy interior. Inside, the 4Runner combines modern technology with comfort. 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto included. Digital driver display, customizable for navigation and performance info. Spacious cabin, seats up to 7, with fold-flat seats for extra storage. Off-road displays, show real-time info like pitch, roll, and tire traction. Advanced safety features. Every 2025 4Runner comes with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 offer. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Global release in early 2025. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is designed to take on challenges around the world, whether you're in the city or off the beaten path. With reliability, power, and versatility, it's ready to meet your needs. Prepare for adventure when it hits dealerships in early 2025. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.